Hey, what's up guys? I want to do another review on my versatility grow light here. I've been using this thing for quite a while now, so I just wanted to give you an update and show you why I still love it. First thing is the adjustable lighting here. That's really nice to have, especially when you use a single light to grow at all different stages. So I did one review where I was growing in a seedling tent, and then I moved it over here to my full 4x4 tent here, and you can see I'm growing some of everything. So I've got different variety of peppers over here. I've got some tomatoes in here that I just started. This is a sunflower that I've been growing. That's a watermelon plant I've been growing. I mean, all indoors inside these little pots, and you can just see how green and happy these plants are. And a big part of it's just due to this grow light. I've used so many different grow lights over the years, and for the value and cost of this one compared to some of the other commercial ones that I've used, this thing is just super amazing. I definitely will be getting another one as these plants get bigger, because they won't all fit in this tent, so I'll have to get another light to put in another tent. But just wanted to say I do love this grow light so much, and I do highly recommend it.